Hey, what's up? So this is Growth Operating for Beginners, day one. My name's Ken Jones and I'm going to be documenting what I'm doing so far. So I've come across Eddie's Growth Operating sort of business model and it's hooked me right in. It's really interesting. It's what it means to me is it's like, so there's this one opportunity to partner with one person that could change your life. Like literally partnering with somebody, for example, with over like 50,000 to 100,000 or a million followers. Like just finding one of these creators that wants to work with you to build out like an education platform, course on the school platform, could like literally change your life. Like it could be like from £10,000 a month to some of them that I've been looking at like hundreds of thousands of pounds a month. You could literally get these creators to be making with the school community. So it's making me like feel like I'm on fire. Like I've done affiliate marketing for ages. I haven't done dropshipping or none of that. But like affiliate marketing, I've tried it for ages and ages and ages. And like the biggest problem I come across is like finding, I don't know, like making content. Like it's always been the problem. Like, yeah, do affiliate marketing and like do a product review and do content and do YouTube and do TikTok, this and the other. But I hate doing things like that. Like this is my first video now and I can see other people are doing it. Like I'm just going to document it. Like I'm going to talk to myself as in like just a documentary style. Like, you know what I'm saying? So what I've done, this is what I've done so far. Like I've seen Eddie on TikTok, started binge watching all his movies, his TikToks. Seen that he then brought out some YouTube channel. Like literally, he's had his YouTube channel for I don't know, let's just say about 6-7 weeks. He's got like 35,000 subscribers already. Yeah, he's got like 250,000 followers on TikTok and Instagram and that. So that's probably where his traffic is funneling from. But I think he's been doing it for years, like 2, 3, 4 years, the growth operating side of things. And he's got a big following. So his channel's blowing up big time and he's put some free content out there, which like people are loving. But it's like, yeah, the whole growth operating aspect of things is it's all right, like. But what I'm seeing from like the 30,000 people that's in his free school community is like people really struggle to get like their DMs opened. I'm the same. So I've sent over 1,000 DMs with 0.05% open rate until I came across this creator. I'll put a little picture here. Shout out to you, man. Right, Rizza underscore 29. Like he said to me something in one of his videos, and like literally I've sent another 25-30 DMs and they're getting like 75% reply rate. Like I've literally from listening to him and the way he does his DMs, which now I do as well, that like I hope you don't mind, but this guy has got this document and so it's publicly available. It's going to be a link down in the description. There are 25 DM opening scripts, right? And they're working. Like I've got 2 creators to give me permission to send them a loom on about what the school is. So that's going good. Like, but it is a numbers game. I agree with you. Like, it's funny. There's one person that got back to me and I said, may I make a suggestion on your account? And they were like, yeah, sure. So I spent like 2 hours making them a school community so they could see it, like doing mock courses and doing like just showing them everything, doing a loom and all that. And it was funny because they just like sort of text me back a message saying, oh yeah, that's it's very good and all, but like I don't need the money, it's just a hobby. And this person like literally could have been making like 1.7 million a year through just like a £20 membership because their followers was like 500,000 followers or whatever. So this is not for everybody. Not every creator out there wants to make loads of money, but maybe it's the fact that it's just this new person like sending them some information. They don't know me, they don't like me, they don't trust me, so they've just probably fobbed me off, which is fine. This is like, it's all about learning. So it's the numbers game. One other thing I'm going to mention is, because Rizza said it as well, is like you can't just like DM these people. You can use auto IG DM, which is the link for that is going to be in the description as well. So you can like send DMs while you're sleeping. And maybe like when you wake up in the morning, you've got like some replies that you can like jump on and start working straight away with. It's awesome, like literally awesome. You can send like 350 messages a week, like 50 a day max. Like I recommend it. I'm recommending it right. There's a link down there to sign up for your 7-day free trial. Like literally, just quickly going off topic, I used the software to contact people that was commenting on Eddie's videos because those people are keen to do growth operating. So I used the software saying that the software is available on auto DMs. And I've got like 12-13 people referring to the program already just by using it like that to make it pay for itself. So then I can use it for trying to get influencers. Awesome. If you want me to make a video on that, let me know. I'll be quite happy to do that. Let me know in the comments. Smash that like button for me. So yeah, got off topic then. But yeah, I'm loving it. I'm on fire. This is making me on fire. Affiliate marketing, like you've got to create content and you've got to do funnels and you've got to do this and you've got to do that. And I got so far in it. I've done like a Facebook group. I've done like a funnel. But it's consistency and focus. It's the hardest thing about business is continuing to focus on one thing long enough until you break through it. But for example, with affiliate marketing, you have to keep like selling this product or service to people. Like you can like sell a product or you can get them into like a software thing which is like monthly recurring, and yeah, that does build up. But with being a growth operator, you just literally need one creator change your life. Like I'm trying to push all of the passion into this video right now to let you know that like dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and you know, those SMMA, like it's hard work. Like why not do the hard work just to get one customer? Everybody can get one customer. Like Eddie said, Linktree did a report on influencers. There's literally about 200 million influencers out there, and like 0.1% of them are making 50 grand a month. So when this other creator came back to me after I made a loom and I said, look, you could actually make about 1.7 million a year. They're like, oh, I don't need the money. I'm like, well, why are you on Instagram like putting like I'm getting like hundreds of thousands of followers and stuff? Like that blew my mind anyway. So it's all a learning curve. So I got the opportunity to send 2 looms and they both got rejected, which is fine. So maybe it's my tonality that is wrong in the looms I'm sending out. Maybe they're too long. Maybe I'm not getting to the point quick enough. Maybe just these people are not ready, and that's fine. Not everybody wants to like. So I'm a chef, right? I've been a chef for like 25 years. So I know how shit the industry is when it comes to pay. Like most people are on like just over minimum wage, yeah? And if you're like a good chef, you're on like £15 an hour. I'm like a professional fish fryer, cook fish and chips and that, yeah? I'm on like £15 an hour. But I had to work in that for like 10 years before I got that, yeah? And I know just like the catering is shit money. So because I've got experience in the catering industry, I'm going to be targeting cooking influencers, yeah? That I've got like an ebook, a cookbook, and I'm going to set that cookbook on fire for them via the school app. I'm going to get them to create the courses of what the recipes are in their ebook and put it on as a visual course. Like take all the tips that you want from this video, if there are any for you there, because I only need one creator. There's like hundreds of thousands of chefs on Instagram with millions of followers. I mean like millions of followers. Half of them ain't even got a link in their bio, selling nothing. So like I know, if you're in like the catering industry, the catering niche, like you ain't really a millionaire, you ain't really 100,000-aire. You're living paycheck to paycheck. I'm living paycheck to paycheck. Like I don't want to live paycheck to paycheck. I want to be the first millionaire in my family as a growth operator. I'm going to do it. You can follow me on the journey. I'm more than happy. I am going to make my own little school community. Let me know if you want to join and get my insights and my tips and my tricks in that school community. I'm going to put most of it on YouTube for free anyway. My school community is going to be free for the first 100 people. So if you want to join, let me know in the comments. Just comment school and I'll start thinking about making it. Big shout out to Rizza. I hopefully will speak to him soon so we can start masterminding. And the biggest takeaway from this video is, because I'm rambling on, I got so much to come out, is the fact that everybody's struggling to get the first creator. So yeah, Eddie Cumberbatch has got, shout out to Eddie. I did it. Not that. And shout out to Eddie, yeah. His education courses online. But what I see everybody struggling with is getting those Instagram. Let's just start with Instagram. Yeah, you can do the same on TikTok and Facebook and email, and there's loads of different outreach methods. Yeah, there's content creation. This is what I'm starting to do, and everybody's struggling to get their first creator. So well, I'm going to make a course on how to get your first creator, and that's going to be in the school community. That's going to be one of the first courses up there. And I see, in like say for example, Eddie's school course is free one. Is Creator Click. There's like 31,000 people in there. People are posting up saying, oh, do you want this free script for this? In the win section, I got my first customer, I got my first client, blah, 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 blah. And everyone's like, oh yeah, let me know how. So there's like loads of people posting wins in that, but no one's actually posting. Rizza's starting to do it, but no one else is actually posting and showing how to actually get your first creator. What are the steps? Like Auto IG DM is awesome because it can do it while you're sleeping. So you're theoretically working 24/7 until you get your first customer. I'm going to make a course on Auto IGM because like it's got a 7-day free trial and you can use it to like pay for itself in the free trial first of all, and then when it's paid for itself you can use that to then DM people. So yeah, there you go, that's day one. I'm going to jump on my computer now and I'm going to start DMing influencers in the catering niche. Cooking content creators, that's my niche, that's my speciality, that's my passion. That's what I'm going to go for. If anybody else is a chef or if anybody else wants me to make a video on niche selection, because you obviously need to choose your niche before you can go for your content, for your influencer, your creator. So your niche selection and the right way to approach it. For example, this is let's finish with this. So go in Instagram, click on their stories, like their stories, comment on their stories. Go to the most recent reels, do 2 of them, like the 2 recentest reels, comment on them. and then follow. And if you hold the follow button down, it'll come up as favorite, so you can favorite them as well. So then they've got like a favorite thing. They've got a follow, a notification. They've got 2 notifications from the first reel, 2 notifications from the second reel, 2 notifications from the story. So like when you send the message, you send the message last, you've literally got like 6 notifications pinging for this one message. So it brings to their attention. Awesome. Like literally, Rizad, dude, you're making me happy, dude. So you keep up the good work. He's already got his first creator and I'm well happy for him. If anybody's watching this and you are trying to do growth operating, keep going. This is what I'm going to finish on, right? You're only one creator away from changing your life financially, mentally, and every other way. It's all about the money, really. Get the money and you can live the life you want. One creator away. Peace.